Hi friends, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make varan. Varan is a basic dal in Maharashtrian cuisine. It is made in various ways by various people. Some people prefer to add tomatoes to it, but we prefer our dal or varan without tomatoes. For us, the simpler the better in case of varan. As they say, less is more sometimes. So let's see how to make varan. To make this varan, we need 2 cups tur dal or split pigeon peas, 4 green chillies, 3 chopped fine for tempering, and 1 to be crushed in mortar and pestle. 1 teaspoon cumin-seeds or jeera for the tempering, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. This also goes into tempering. 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder, 2 teaspoon curry leaves, 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoon total, out of which half teaspoon while cooking the dal and half teaspoon to be used for tempering, 1 tablespoon jaggery, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 3 tablespoon grated coconut, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Crush 1 green chilli in a mortar and pestle. We have pressure cooked tur dal or split pigeon peas. Now we are adding hot water to the cooked dal to get the desired consistency. Some people prefer this dal to be watery, some people prefer it thick, but we like it neither too thick nor too thin. So you have to set the consistency according to your likes. Add the crushed green chilli to the dal. Adding crushed green chilli to cooked dal is our take of the varan. The norm is to add chopped green chilies to the tempering. Add salt. Add jaggery or ghud. Mix well. The flame is off all this while. Switch on the flame. Heat the dal now. We are adding some more hot water as we find it a bit thick even now. Remember, to hot food we need to add hot water. Let the dal simmer on a very low flame. Take care to stir it. Heat ghee in a pan. Always use ghee for varan. Do not use oil. Add mustard seeds. Now waiting for them to crackle. Yeah. Now when the mustard seeds crackle, add in the cumin seeds or jeera. Add hing or asafoetida powder. Add finely chopped green chilies. Let the green chilies fry for about half a minute. Add curry leaves. Add turmeric powder. Stir. Switch off the flame. Add in the grated coconut. Add the tempering to the varan or dal. Now we have switched off the flame of the dal also. Cover the varan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in the lemon juice, add coriander leaves, and now we are serving the varan. We are going to have it with bhendichi bhaji and kothambir vadi. The recipes of both are put up in our channel. Do check it out. Adding ghee adds to the taste. The varan is just yummy. Have it hot. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye for now. See you with another recipe. Bye till then.
Do not
Take care.
forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.